exciting. I have $566 in my bank bag that's going back to the bank that I'm going to put in a savings account for my grandson. And listen, if I never added another dollar and I let that money just sit and accrue interest, I would be doing more than what I had done for my children when they were born, okay? But with age comes wisdom. And so I'm going to keep adding small amounts of money over the years as he's growing up. His mother is going to do the same. And when he's ready, he'll make that decision. I'm imagining that she will have more kids as well. Like, he won't be the only grandchild. And so, maybe my sons at some point will have children. And I'll do the same thing. Start these little binders and start saving money for them right when they're born. What an exciting feeling. I'm excited. I can't wait to see over the years. I have 18 years to let this money grow. I can't wait to see what happens. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes, woo! Today we have good vibes because I am going to cash up my beautiful grandson's savings challenge binder. Cha-ching! So let's get started.
You started blowing bubbles on the band. He was like, get that camera out of my face.
You know what you're doing.
So let's get started. Shoo-boom! Okay, you know I'm a proud grandma, so I'm going to put a picture up of my grandson. Guys, he melts my heart. Every time I see pictures of him, in fact, I have him on my phone. So when I open my phone, I see him smiling back at me and I just melt. I'm like, I'm melting. Yes, I just love my grandson. And I'm so happy that I learned about the cash stuffing community when I did, because this is something I would have loved to have done for my children. I love watching my girl Budget with Chuckles. She has savings for all of her children. Like, she is putting money aside. She is getting ready to save for them for college. So we got to get on our hustle and save some money. So we got 120, 40, 60, $160. Woo! So this is going to be where we have to make change. This is what we are going to do. Now, when this money comes out, it's going straight to the bank and getting deposited for him. So it's going to be designated for him. It will not be commingled. I will have it separate so I can track his money. So the first savings challenge we have here is this one. Hey, baby. This is from What Matters Most Now. So we finished saving here and we finished saving this $3. So the only thing left was the $10 for the carriage. So we're going to take this $10 back and grab a 20. So now we have $45 and we can say we have saved, yeah, it was $42 plus this 3 is $45. So we have saved. Hey baby, this is so cute. Look at that. I think I'm going to leave this in my binder because it's cute. All right, now we're going to do the parrot. All right, so the parrot is going to save. Let's finish the parrot off. So here we go. This is $9. Let's come over here and roll the big dice. Let's do 1 through 7 or 8, whatever this is. All right. So, and I rolled a 2. So I did all that and rolled a 2. And now I rolled a 7, the same, and a 2. All right, so we had 9, and then 11, 13, and 20. So that's $20. So we're just grabbing 20. So we got, oh, now we have 100. Look at that. So this is cool. So we can put all this back because I'm making change. So we now have $101. And we can ring the bell. This is living on a tiny budget. We have complete a $101. So we're putting this in the money to go to the bank. All that is going to the bank. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell, my bell. Ring a ring a ring. Yes. All right, Cass. We are jamming, putting this money in the bank. It's going to be earning interest while you are growing up. Okay, we are almost done with this challenge. Look at this. We are jamming. So we just need to do $20. We're going to add 20. And so now we have 120, 40, 60. Let's put all this back. And let's do $160. Woo! Let's see. Is this right? Let's add it up. So 90 plus 45 plus 30. Uh-oh, it says 165. So let's add 5. I don't have 5. 165. Yes, we need to get 5. And we don't have it yet. Okay, so we owe $5 to the completed stash. Let's remember that we owe $5. We're going to get change. Oh, yes, we are. But in the meantime and in between time, let's put this 100. This is with the money that's going to the bank. And we owe it $5. $5. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I am. I'm probably going to find some new savings challenges. You know, I'm not going to do this like aggressively because I do have time. He's just born. But I am going to, when I finish these challenges, going to go find new challenges and keep saving. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, $18. 18, and let's do 2, which would make it 20. So we would add 20. So this would be 120, 40, 50, $150. There we go. So we finished Steph on a budget. This is Steph on a budget. These are cute. You see these little cute birds? So the theme for his binder was birds and foxes. So we're adding this to the completed challenges. And I will definitely occasionally give you updates. About his binder, how much money he's earned, because we're going to make interest. This is a new challenge. Let's come back to this one. We have change. And now we have this one. And I feel like I'm going to finish this Owl Saving the Stars. So let's do this. We got 1 and 1 is $2. That's $4. 7 and 4 is 11. And 5 is 16. $16. $16. So we're going to need change. 16. So we could put a 20 and put the 5 back. So there's $1 here. This. And these two I still want to keep saving. So let's see. Let's see. Let's do this mathematically correct. We had 125 plus 16 is 141 minus 92 equals 49. So there should be $49 left in here. So we should have $49 left. What I could do is put this here, put this all to the bank. And I'm totally confused, don't know what's going on. So we'll add it up at the end. Oh, doggy, there's the $50, right? That stays, this $50 stays with these challenges. Should be 49, that's okay. What I'm gonna do is add up all these challenges and make sure the money ties. Because it's got to be right. This is my grandson. It's got to be right. We got to make that money right. Oh, this is another one we're going to finish. We still have this cute one to save, but we'll finish this one. And it's $5. So here's a 5, and we are done. $75. Woo! Go Cass. This is so cute. This is from Lemon Ivy. Isn't that just the cutest fox? All right, now this is another one we are finishing. Oh, this is exciting. We're excited. We're excited. We scratch it off. This is the last one. Should be $5 because it was to save a total of $40. This is from the Almost Organized Owl. So you have to check out her channel. I wanted some owl challenges, so I knew I was going to get some good owl challenges from her. So we can put 15 back and grab a 20. So we have $40 saved. Oh, this is done. Ring the bell. Woo! Look at me. Put this $40 in here. Get this money to the bank. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, now these are from Jen. Teach, Save, Travel. We are not going to finish it today, but we are going to scratch. Itching for a scratch. Itching, itching, itching. Here we go. So we'll scratch this one, which is, you can't hardly see it, but it's a 4. These scratchers are nice. I don't know where Jen got her scratchers, but they scratch off so smooth. And a 1, so that's $5. So I don't think I'm gonna put all the money in his binder. Maybe I'll save it for another channel, because we got to the end. So that's $5 we're adding. Oh, there's some change up in here. Let's see, y'all. Oh yes, let's see if I can make some change. We got 50, 70, 80, 85, 87, 87, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, $93. So let's make change. Here we go. 10, 15, 17, 19, 20. So that goes here. All right, so now we have $93. And Jen, Teach, Save, Travel. Okay, we are at the end. We are at the end, Jen. This is the one I bought. She gave me this as a bonus, y'all. Isn't that just cute? Cute as a button. She knows I don't like furry friends, but whatever. Okay, we went through everything. We are done. Now let's just add up everything to see how much money we should have going to the bank. We have $40 plus 75 plus, these little things add up. 92 plus Uh-oh, what am I doing? These go back in here. I did not finish this. Where's Steph on a budget? Rocks budgets. Here's Steph on a budget. Okay, so how much should still be in here? My 1, 2, 3, 4. Girl, you can't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 4 is 8. So that's 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 times 2 is 32. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 20. So that's $52 should still be in this envelope. So we got 20, 30, 40, $52. That's why I had all this money left over. 20, 30, 40, 52. Now what I can do is change it out though. Because, no, maybe I want the I think I want the change in here. 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40, 52. Because I might need to make change later. Okay, so there we go. And that is so not a good envelope, but we'll fix that later. This envelope is ripping. Okay, so now we should have just had the $48 in here. Okay, let's try this again. Let's start over. From the top, 92 plus 75. This was 45. What's this? So this was 42. I don't know how much this is. We'll figure that out. This was 90 plus 45 plus 30 plus 19 plus 40, 16 plus 8. $566. So we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 50, 2, 4, 6. I stole money from somewhere else too. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 50, 2, 4, 6, 5, and 6. That doesn't look right. Look at all this money I got left over. 20, 30, 45, 50, 2, 53. Ooh, that's strange. Okay, so we are going to put this together. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 50, 2, 4, 6, half. 566. Okay, this is just gonna be deposited. I told my daughter, like, once I got 1,000, I would probably put it into his education account once we get there. But until we get there, this is it. It goes into its little savings account I have just for him. That's it, completed. Goes in my little bag. When she swoops in, it's to remind us that life is short and not to let worries cloud a single day. Yes, 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 yes. And this money is left over. 20, 30, 45, 50, 1, 2, and 3. So that's $53 that I get to come back and do a savings challenge with. Yes, don't know which savings challenge I'm going to do, but I will be doing some things. All right, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thanks for being a part of this journey, because this truly is a journey. This is about building generational wealth. This is about creating change for the younger generation. And I'm so excited to be a part of this whole community because we are making things happen. So if you like this video and you want more fun videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.